In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an Airtable frontend with Softr. We'll connect your Airtable account to Softr and spin up a ready-made client portal that you can customize. By the end, you'll have the core of a secure, data-driven app powered by your base. Start by opening the Softr dashboard. This is your control center for data connections and apps. On the left-hand sidebar, click Integrations. Think of this as the place where Softr talks to your external tools. Once a connection is set up here, you can reuse it across multiple apps. Next, click Connect New, choose Airtable from the list, and then click Continue. You'll be redirected to Airtable's permissions screen. Here's the key decision. Click Add all resources to let Softr access all of your current and future bases, or, if you prefer a tighter scope, use Add a base to expose only the specific base you plan to use. Teams with stricter data policies often choose the narrower option. Either way, review the permissions shown so you know exactly what's being shared, and when you're ready, click Grant Access. This completes a secure, token-based connection between Airtable and Softr. You won't be pasting any keys or secrets. Once you're returned to Softr, click Apps to head back to your app workspace. Click Create New App to set up a fresh project. To move quickly, choose Start with Template. Templates give you pre-built pages, layouts, and data-ready blocks that align with common use cases, saving you a ton of setup time. From the template gallery, select Client Portal. This is a versatile starting point for sharing records with clients or stakeholders behind authentication. Click Use Template to generate your app. Softr will create the app with the template's pages and components. Because you already connected Airtable, your data source is available for the app to use when you configure blocks. You can now explore the pages, adjust copy, branding, and access rules, and prepare your content. As you customize, keep your Airtable structure in mind. Clean field names and well-defined views make it easier to display exactly what you want. A few quick tips before you continue customizing. Keep sensitive fields in separate views so you control what's visible, use filters in Airtable to curate the records your users should see, and name your bases and tables clearly to simplify mapping later. If something doesn't appear as expected, double-check that the Airtable connection is authorized for the base you intend to use. And that's it. You've connected Airtable to Softr, created a new app, started from the client portal template, and you're ready to tailor it to your workflow.